Many people want to work online but believe they need advanced skills or years of experience. But you know what? The truth is that there are many online jobs that you can start even as a beginner. In today's video, I am going to share you 7 online job you can start with no experience. And some of those jobs can even grow into a full online career. Do you click? So, welcome back to the Digital Mom, where we talk about digital skills, online work, and building a better opportunities for your future. Let's dive into the first job that you can do online. The first job that you can do online is virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps businesses with simple tasks online, such as answering to emails, scheduling the meetings, managing calendars, and data entry. Many entrepreneurs hire virtual assistants because they need help managing their daily work. This job is great for beginners because it mostly requires 2 basic skills, which are organization and communication skills. Okay, the job number 2 I want to talk about is social media management. Social media manager. Social media manager in today's world is giving a lot of money online. Businesses today depend heavily on social media. Many of the products in these days, they get customers through social media. However, many business owners do not have time to manage their accounts seriously. Social media managers help with creating posts, replying to comments, scheduling for content, growing online audiences, and helping businesses have the big online presence, enough online presence, if I could say. So if you enjoy using social media, this can become a very valuable skill for you. The third job that I want to talk about is content writing. Yes, you got it. It is writing. Content writing involves creating written content for blogs, for websites, for newsletters, for product description, for MOU with companies. Companies need writers to help them communicate with their customers online. If you enjoy writing and researching on topics, this can be a strong opportunity for you. This is because these days people are not good at writing, and because of technology, people has become like not themselves. People these days, they depend on AI. So if you are the person who is very good at writing, who is not depending on AI through writing, this is a very needed skill on online market. So if you enjoy writing and researching on topics, this can be a strong opportunity for you. Go for it. Okay, the fourth job that I want to talk about, it is data entry. Data entry is one of the simplest online jobs that you can do, and the good part of it is one of those jobs that you can do from all over the world. People in Europe are looking for data, people in Asia, people in Africa, in America, everywhere around the world, people are looking for data. So they need data entrers, the people to do data entry for them. The work usually involves simple things, just typing information within most of the time forms that they give, forms that they are built, updating spreadsheets, organizing digital records. Simple tasks like organizing, like typing, like updating, you know. Although it may not be paying the highest on market, it can be a good starting point for beginners. Yes, data entry is not giving a lot of money like virtual assistants, like copywriting, like typing, but it is a simple job that you can start on while you are building your portfolio as a person who want to work online as a beginner. Okay, let's go to the fifth job that I want to talk about today. The fifth job I want to talk about today, which is very beginner friendly, it is graphic design with beginner tools, of course. Okay, graphic design is another online opportunity. Businesses constantly need designs for social media posts, for advertisement, for flyers, for thumbnails, for podcasts, a lot of images are needed online. And today, tools like Canva make graphic design easier for beginners to learn, okay? If you have the Canva skill, you can use that skill and do simple designs using the tool of Canva, which is a very friendly beginner tool. And then you do sell those designs to people who may need them, to business owners, to help them do social media posts, to help them do their advertisements, to help them do their thumbnails and other things that may need images. So the tool like Canva, you make graphic design easier for beginners to learn. So go grab it. Another skill that I want to talk about today, it is online research assistant. Many researchers around the world, they need assistants who could help them organize their research data and give it a good line for the research data to be presented to a company or to an NGO, okay? Some businesses hire people to do online research for them even. For example, people who may be in the manufacturing industry, maybe for the cosmetic products, they might need a person to help them to do research about the cosmetic products that are on the market for them to be able to improve the quality, to see what people really consume. So this can be an opportunity if you're a good person to do online research. This also includes gathering information, finding business contacts, researching competitors, and collecting data. For example, you might be working for a company A, and the company A is a process of wanting to sign maybe contracts with company B, but they don't have a lot of information about company B. The boss of company A could give you a task to go and look for available information that is relating for company B and vice versa, so that you could come and present to them the information that you've got from your research, so that they can, based on those information, to do a decision, to make a decision, to sign a specific contract. So it's your time to use your research skills and find an online research assistant, okay? This job requires curiosity and attention to details. It doesn't require many technicalities. It's you with your curiosity and attention to details, okay? Another job that you could go for online these days, it is customer support assistant. Yes, you got this, customer support assistant. Many companies hire remote customer support agents. This role involves responding to customers' email, answering to questions, solving questions. I don't know if you have ever get a chance of maybe wanting to buy a product but not having a lot of information about it, and then there were a contact that you needed to call for the contact to give you many information as you need. Most of those people who respond to you, they are not the company owners, they are not the workers of the company in big position. They are the customer support assistants. They are those people on the front desk to help you understand really that product, okay? If you write an email, maybe the product has been delaying the time to reach to you. The person who is going to respond to you is a customer support assistant, okay? Answering questions that you could have about a specific product or a specific event or a specific service that the company is offering. The person who will be responding to you might be a customer support assistant and solving other customer related issues, of course, in control of the customer support assistant role. So this skill, the good part of it doesn't also require many technicalities, doesn't require you to have a lot of IT skills. It just requires you just simple computer skills and communication skill. And the very important part of skill that is needed here, it is communication in this role. It is very important for this role, because if you're not a good communicator, I'm not seeing how you're going to be dealing with customers. You need to build your communication skill, okay? Instead of trying all those jobs at once, this is kind of an advice I could give. If I could say, instead of you going to navigate each and every job that I have mentioned above, instead of trying all these jobs, just choose one skill and focus on learning it well. And after learning it well, you will come back and then start monetizing it. Because if you're going to take all of the 7 jobs that I have mentioned, it's going to break you in your mind. It's going to be a big load in your mind that you could not carry alone. So when you develop a valuable skill, it becomes easier to find clients and job opportunities. Okay, if you are settled with one skill, you have like a space to look for information that is regarding that skill, and finding clients or job opportunities is easier for you. So remember, online work is not about quick money, it's about learning skills that create opportunities. I repeat this: when you come online just looking for money, you're not going to get money. But when you come looking for a skill that you could learn, then that skill help you to create opportunities. You're in a good track. So if you find this video helpful, like this video, comment which online job that interests you the most among the 7 that I have mentioned. Subscribe to the Digital Mom for more videos about digital skills and working online. And if you want to learn how to become a virtual assistant step by step, watch the next video on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.